Kenya's horticultural sector is set to get a major boost as stakeholders look for various ways to double their share and export tradition in new markets. Starting today, Thursday, Fresh Produce Exporters Association of Kenya and Kenya Association of Small and Medium-Scale Fruits and Vegetable Exporters are hosting a two-day fruit and vegetable conference and exhibition. The exhibition will discuss existing challenges and opportunities with greater emphasis on promoting competitiveness and Kenya's fresh fruit and vegetable agribusiness through enhanced adoption of food safety standards. Edible horticulture production in Kenya has increased tenfold in the last 20 years, while earnings from horticulture exports rose 20% to 77.81 billion in the first 9 months of 2016.
There is therefore a need to establish protocols to protect consumers within the domestic market, and especially now that we have just launched a new standard, the Kenya Standard 1758, that ensures that every person involved in the value chain will do what they need to do to make sure that the food that is produced is good and safe for human consumption.
Consumers are becoming more aware, and science is becoming, revealing increasingly more safe food safety issues. So during this conference, we realized that to meet those requirements, producers have to invest more.